Can you remember what you did yesterday? What about what happened when you sneezed? Can you remember a time when your hand felt itchy and you scratched it without even thinking? Are you wondering about how all of this is happening? Well, the answer lies in a very important organ in our body called the brain. But what is the brain? The brain is an organ in our body which is like the control center of our body. It is made up of billions of cells called neurons, which send and receive electric messages to and from the body. Now, the brain needs to talk to the rest of the body, and this is where the spinal cord comes in. The spinal cord sends messages between the brain and most of the body. The spinal cord is protected by bones of the spine, and the brain is protected by the bone of the skull. Here's a trivia for you. Can you guess another name for the skull? It's called the cranium. Want to hear an interesting fact? About 3/4 of the brain is water. Now, hope this gets you thinking more about the organ that helps you with thinking, yep, the brain. And next time you're trying to remember something or you're just thinking, now you know a little bit about the brain. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this.